Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I'm pretty obsessed with indie brand makeup. Today's video is all about the brand new Liquachrome shadows from Rebel Rouge Labs. Before we dive in, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy what you see. Subscribe down below if you want to become a part of my beauty family. And you can also click the join button down below to become a channel member. Thank you in advance, and thank you to all my channel members. I just received my package from Rebel Rouge Labs. She just launched 4 brand new Liquachrome multi-chrome liquid eyeshadows. I'm so excited to test these out for you guys. When I saw she was doing these, I knew I absolutely had to have them. These just dropped yesterday. They are available right now, and they are $9.99 each. We'll get into deets and everything else, but when I purchased this, she also sent me her latest palette. It is called Can I Exist? I am actually going to save this for our member exclusive video, so stay tuned for that if you are a channel member, and thank you to Rebel Rouge Labs in advance. So the Liquachromes are a high impact multi-chrome liquid eyeshadow. They are opaque enough that they can be worn alone or layered over other eyeshadows and or concealers for a bold, vibrant effect. These shadows are water-based and they dry quickly with minimal fallout and maximum staying power. And then there are 4 shades. There's Leviathan, Basilisk, Chimera, and Hydra. So we are going to get in. I will do some swatches, and then of course we will choose our favorite one to put on the lids. So this one is the shade Hydra. I love the packaging of these. She is a cruelty-free indie woman-owned brand. Oh, I'm gonna pop the picture up here because the picture was stunning and she sent me a little video too, but holy crap. Seeing it in person, oh my gosh. And this feels nice, you guys. It feels nice and heavy. This is the shade Hydra, so of course I will swatch each of them. They have a flat doe foot. Oh my, y'all know these are my types of shades. Okay, that is stunning, and I'm hoping that we can read the shift. And for those of you that are wondering, I like to do my swatches on my hand. First and foremost, because our hand can kind of be dry and or get oily, clammy, etc., the way that our lids can. And I can also kind of really manipulate the shadows and put it in and out of the light. So hopefully you can see the shift here. That is absolutely stunning. Okay, I'm already loving Hydra. Next up is Basilisk. I hope I'm saying that right. And, oh, that's so pretty. That is Basilisk up close. So you can see like some gold shimmer in there, and then a very strong green to purple shift. That is beautiful. Absolutely stunning. And again, that is the doe foot applicator. We're gonna swatch that right beside this. Oh my gosh. Wow, that is beautiful. So you can see the base there. And then we have our flip from green to purple. Hopefully you can see that. Of course, I will put one on my eyes as well. I will also pop up swatches. And the shade Hydra is already dry, and I'm of course doing this in real time. So that is pretty cool. I'm intrigued to see how quickly they dry on the eyes as well. Next up is Leviathan. And Leviathan, I'm seeing gold, and then it has a strong blue to purple shift. I'll put Basilisk up here next to it. You can see that this is a strong blue to like a mid-tone purple shift, and then this one is a green going into more of kind of a more warm purple shift. So this is Leviathan. I really like the packaging on here. This is really nicely weighted too. So you can see the purple leading into the blue. This one is much darker than the previous one. Wow, that is so pretty. And there is Leviathan. Ooh. Okay, these are beautiful. And now this one is already dry as well. And then last but not least is Chimera. Oh, that's pretty. And this one has a lot of really pretty, like a rusty orange to a pink to a really beautiful gold. And more of like a high and more of like a true like yellow gold. That's so pretty. That's beautiful. And I will swatch that one down here. It's so cool because looking at this one, I see pretty much just the strong kind of gold shift. And as I turn toward you guys, I'm definitely seeing more like pink and orange. So that is Chimera. So that is all 4 of the shades swatched out. I do want to give these all the opportunity to dry all the way. And in the meantime, we're going to put one on our lids. I love them all, so I really can't pick, and I wish you guys were here with me. Oh, I think this one's calling to me. I think I'm gonna do the Hydra, and I just have a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape Ultra Creamy on my lids. And I'll do 1 layer, and I want to see kind of how quickly that first layer dries, and then we will try to layer it up. And then I think I'm going to do a dark base or do a shadow or something on this side and just see if the intensity level kind of gets boosted up. So again, this is Hydra. And with these, you can definitely use them completely alone if you want to. And I like to almost pretend like I'm doing a cut crease, if you will. And then I like to wing them out some. And I always, with this type of product, you know, think back to 2017, 2018, the height of the Stila craze. And I go 1 layer at a time. I have found, especially if you are like me and you have more crepey lids, dry skin, more mature skin, a less is more approach is a little bit better, a little bit easier. That's so... Here, I see green and a little bit of orange, and as soon as I turn to you guys, it is like true gold. Oh my gosh, they're beautiful. And I keep, because I have hooded lids, I keep my eyes closed the best way that I keep my eyes closed for as long as I can and let it, you know, kind of dry. And I mean, on my hands, they dried pretty quickly, so I feel like they're going to do the same here. So I'll get up close. We're still going to give it a second to dry. Oh, that shift is oh, that's pretty. And while I'm waiting for this to dry, you guys know that I also like to update you on product. If I don't exactly look up at you, I'm very, very sorry. But I wanted to update you guys on a couple of products. I want to give you guys an update on the Soft Radiance Bronzing Powder from Glowish. I had the shade Medium 02. It is what I have on my complexion today. I did not really care for this, and I still hold true to that. I'm going to tell you that this is like loaded up on my complexion with a firm brush. And this is still the level of opacity that I've gotten to, and I am not a medium right now. In the summertime, I'm a medium venturing into tan. So I'm going to say this, because y'all know I try to be very honest, but I also try to be kind in my words. If you like a very subtle, slightly sheeny, kind of lit from within type of bronzer, I think you may like this. Or I'm going to say this, that if you're okay with really layering it up, and I mean this is like 4 layers, and you go up a shade, I think you'll be okay. So my final thoughts on this are, I would not personally repurchase it. If you are somebody that likes a very subtle kind of kiss of bronze with a little bit of luminous quality, you may like this. I urge you to go up in shade. So that's a no-go for me. I would not repurchase that. However, this product from Unicorn Cosmetics called Bare Brows, I did not like it in my first impressions in my brows, but I use it in my hair every single time I film now, and I'm obsessed with it. So I'll show you. I mean, I did it right now. I don't really feel like I have too many flyaways, but I am on the fence of growing my hair out or cutting it super short again. So you can see I've used the heck out of this. I did not like it for my brows, but I go in here and I wipe it down the side of the container. And especially if I have my hair pulled back because I'm trying to showcase eyeshadows or whatever, I literally take this, y'all, and I run it through my hair. And it just makes it look super sleek. It makes it look shiny. I have no freaking flyaways. I am obsessed with this for my hair. So if you happen to get this and you were like me and you're like, it was a little bit too you use it on your hair. I'm obsessed with it. I love it, and I'm gonna keep on using it. Okay, I feel like it's dry. I feel slight tackiness like right in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into a black base and we'll do the other eye. That way this is completely dry. And you can probably already see just where I opened my eye a little tiny bit. I did get a little bit of cracking right there. That's normal for this product and normal if you have hooded lids. Just letting you guys know that. I'm going to go in with my ERIS black eyeliner, and it's just a standard eyeliner. If you have a big milk pencil in black, you could also use that. Black cream shadow, black cream base, whatever you may have. I'll speed this little part up, and then we're going to try it on this side. All right, beauties, y'all, I like these a whole lot. You can see up on the second layer, and of course, keep your eyes closed, especially if you have hooded lids. I don't have any cracking or creasing now at all. And over here, I just feel like it just deepened it up just a touch, and like there's more of a kind of green shift from it. I think both sides are equally as beautiful, and I'm pretty obsessed. I think these are absolutely gorgeous. And they are quite budge proof. I mean, they're not going anywhere. And I'm pretty damn impressed by that. And these are only $10, and you can use code RIRI10 for 10% off. That is non-affiliate. That code is just for you guys. I love these. I think they're absolutely stunning. And they don't feel sticky or anything like that. I guess especially being more water-based. And when they dry down, they're dried down. And I love the shifts in them. I think they're absolutely stunning. And I cannot wait to keep playing with them. Yeah, they're pretty damn incredible. So that is it, beauties. What did y'all think? What is your favorite color? I will show them to you really quickly all together. So we have Chimera, Hydra, we have Leviathan, and we have Basilisk. Hopefully, again, I'm saying that right. If I'm not, I'm so sorry. And hopefully I did okay doing the swatches and stuff so you guys could see the different shifts in these. I think that they are incredible and honestly super affordable, especially given the price point that I see for most shadows like these. I love these so much, and of course I'll be doing a members only video with the palette. I will keep you guys updated on these. Yeah, I think it's stunning, absolutely beautiful. Yeah, that's it, beauties. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.